Homeostasis is the ability to maintain a relatively stable internal state that persists despite changes in the world outside. All living organisms, plants, to puppies, to people, must regulate their internal environment to process energy and ultimately survive. So, what is homeostasis in the human body? The tendency to maintain a stable, relatively homeostasis, the body maintains many factors in addition to temperature. For instance, the concentration of various ions with pH and concentration of glucose.
When the body temperature falls, the blood vessels constrict so that the heat is conserved, and sweat glands do not secrete fluid. Shivering generates heat, which warms the body, and then heat is retained and go back to a normal body temperature. So basically, this homeostatic thing is a cycle. So same as when the body temperature rises, the blood vessels dilate and resulting in heat loss to the environment. Sweat glands secrete fluid. As the fluid evaporates, heat is lost from the body. So heat is lost to the environment. So and then it go back to the normal body temperature. So basically, the heat is just evaporates in your body, and that caused by the homeostasis itself. There are different ways that the body maintains the homeostasis. So the number one is temperature. So body must maintain a relatively constant temperature. So if it gets hot or too hot, the body employs vasodilation to cool down. This dilates the blood vessels, allowing more heat to escape from them through skin. So like the heat will go out through your skin. So the second is glucose. The body must regulate glucose levels to stay healthy. So when the glucose levels become too high, the body releases hormone called insulin. So when they becomes too low, the body converts the glycogen in the blood to glucose. So the next one is toxins. So toxins in the blood can disrupt body's homeostasis. So thus it signals the urinary systems to ensure that the toxins are excreted. So the next one is blood temperature. So the body must maintain healthy levels of blood pressures. So to do so, brain sends signals to the heart to speed up or slow down according to the blood pressure. So the last one is pH. So the pH was controlled by the lungs, and then the lungs controls the amount of pH in the body. So if pH levels become unbalanced, so the lungs push more or less carbon dioxide out of the diaphragm. So this can raise or lower pH levels in the body. So negative feedbacks of homeostasis usually involves the loops to pulse the stimulus or cue that triggers them. So for example, if your body temperature is too high, a negative feedback loop will act to bring it back down to the set point or the target value of 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit. So a positive feedback loop maintains the direction of the stimulus and it possibly accelerates it. Another example of positive feedback is uterine contraction during childbirth. So, the hormone oxytocin made by the endocrine system stimulates contraction from the uterus, and this produces pain sensed by the nervous system. So, that pain sensed by the nervous system itself.